Welcome to Trilokya Design Studio, where creativity meets luxury. Experience design that elevates. Perfection in every detail.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Trilokya Design Studio. This is my first vlog where I'm gonna introduce myself. So this is Trilokya. I'm an interior designer and graphic designer. I'm gonna teach you how to be an inspiration, space planning tips, 3D designs, concepts and creative graphic design tools and tutorials and tips, projects. Today I will introduce you to the Canva, one of the easiest and most powerful graphic design tools. Whether you are a student, business owner, content creator, or someone who simply wants to design beautiful graphics. If you're really interested in graphic designs and interior designing but don't know where to start, then this video is very perfect for you. For today's video, I'm going to teach you the basics of Canva, designs and tools and everything. Let's start. Open Chrome page and type Canva. Just click it on the Canva, and this is the Canva home page. When you open Canva, this is the first screen you will see. The Canva home page is designed to help you quickly start any design projects. On right side you can see some tools like home, projects, templates, brand and apps. These are some tools where you gonna designs, and they have n number of templates and n number of options. It has the AI option also, where you get AI images, prompts and everything. At the top of you'll find the search bar. Here you can search for the templates, design ideas, projects, videos, presentation, many other sources. It has n number of options like presentations, websites, whiteboards, documents, invitation, wedding cards, greeting cards, YouTube videos like logos, presentations, advertisements, posters, each and everything you can design in this Canva. That is why one of the most popular graphic design tool app, where you're gonna simply design. No need of any subscription. You can design without any subscription also. It has a free templates also, it's available. Just pick it up and drag it and drop it on the screen. You can just do changes like, for example, text or colors and logos, whatever you want to design. Just pick it up and drag and drop it. Not only that, you can customize your sheet also, paper size. So let's come back to the home page. When you go to the templates, these are the templates which you can see that. So these are the templates which you can use. There are n number of templates, and this is the basic introduction of Canva. In upcoming videos, I'll teach you each and every detail of designs, how to create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, business cards, advertisements, even animated videos and posters, all step by step using Canva. So thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Trilokya Design Studio. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you never miss upcoming Canva tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Subscribe my channel, please.